What a delightful day. As you've probably gathered, it's a little bit damp today, but it's perfect conditions for testing out your gear. These rocks are really slippy. This is literally 2 miles away from where I live. We're so lucky to have this on our doorstep. So being close to home's a really good place to test your gear out. You don't want to find out that it fails or doesn't work if you're on a 3-day trip up in Scotland. Another good test for the waterproofs. Testing out the new Insta360 X3 camera. I brought a tarp with me, a bit of lunch, try and get a bit of shelter from the rain. I'm going to raise the back one up as well, give me a bit more headroom inside. There we go, home sweet home. All it needs is a sofa. There we go. Next best thing. Happy days. Oh, breathe a little bit now. This is alright, isn't it? Packs sound really small. About the same size as the little bothies that I've got. Bothies are great if you're up in the hills and you want to get warm and protected, but if you want some usable space, tarp is much better. Gonna have a bit of something to eat. £1.50, and these are the best instant noodles I've tasted anyway. If you know of any better, give me a shout. With those dehydrated meals, they cost a fortune really. I watch English Woodsman and he's been reviewing those kind of meals. Some of them are over a tenner. Ridiculous. Got some more furniture now. Table. I bought 2 of these about 6 months ago. I've never used it yet. Metal tube. Metal tube. And just stab it in the ground, I think. Quite sturdy that. Let's see if it takes a jet boil. I don't even know if the footprint's big enough, to be honest. Oh yeah. Won't take very long. I think there's just enough water for coffee as well. Near enough. I'm quite impressed with this little table. Sturdy. Reasonable amount of room as well. Oh, they need a bit of a stir up. So before I move on, a quick thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring the video today. So as you probably know, we use Squarespace for our Messner.co.uk website, and Squarespace has made it so easy for us. I used one of the ready-made templates and just added my own photos and text, moved things around until we got the website just how we wanted it. The platforms allowed us to set up a little shop where we can sell our merch. We also upload our photos and share the YouTube videos, which has allowed us to grow our presence online. We live in a world now where most people are online, and a website is a great place to be seen. So if you want to go and set up a website of your own, it is really easy. All you have to do is click the link in the description or head over to squarespace.com/Paul Messner. You'll get a totally free trial and 10% off your first purchase. It's so simple to do, even I can do it, so you've got nothing to lose. Right, their magic sauce. These noodles come with a sachet. It's got a little bit of oil and some sort of sauce with it. Might be soy sauce. And that is what gives these noodles the edge. Give that a good stir. Always get it in my beard. So back to the gear testing. I'm really happy with this little setup. Yeah, I am bone dry. Tarp's doing a great job. Water's just running off. You'll probably get two people sat under here. Although it is only a solo tarp and it is a little bit wider at this end. Good test from a little table. You'll have to let me know in the comments what you think of the 360 footage, but I'm hoping it adds something a little bit extra to my videos. Obviously if it was really windy I wouldn't have the tarp set up quite this high, but it's not windy, so I'm going to make the most of the extra headroom. Been out to take a couple of photos. I could stay under here all day. Don't particularly want to get out in the rain again now. Suppose I best start tidying up a little bit though. Take my crap home with me. Someone mentioned in the comments that they hadn't seen the Jetboil stash. I do use it quite a bit, to be honest. Very lightweight. If I just want to boil a bit of water, brilliant. Definitely going to be using this a bit more. Plenty of room to pack away as well. Pretty much all I've got to do now is seal my bag up and then drop the tarp. Sil nylon's really slippy. Could just chuck it into my rucksack because I've got to dry it out when I get home anyway, but we'll persevere. Very handy little bit of kit that. One last thing, don't let a bit of rain stop you from getting out. You'll probably get the whole place to yourself and you can still have plenty of fun. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.